Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kinderpod, Kids Learn with Fun channel. Let's see some beautiful kids performance. First is coconut.
Water case. Why I said I am नारियल जी ऊंचे पेड़ पे फलता हूँ भगवान के चरणों में चलता. I am नारियल जी भूख लगे तो खा लो जी प्यास लगे तो पी लो जी. I am नारियल.
Next is grapes.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Raj Khanna. Today I am playing the role of grape. I am yummy fruit. I am eating vitamin C and vitamin K. I am very healthy fruit. I come in many colors like red, black, pink, yellow, purple. Everyone should eat me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Next is octopus.
My name is Satvika. I am studying in SKGF. I am presenting myself as an octopus. I can change my color and I am a water animal. I have 2 eyes and 1 big mouth. I have 8 legs and I don't have backbone. I am octopus. I am an octopus with arms so wide, swirl around beside
Next, river.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Arya Gupta. Do you know who am I? I am a river, polluted river. River plays a very important role in your life. It gives you water for farming, gardening, drinking, cooking, etc. It is a home of many water animals. It also helps in providing electricity and mode of transportation. I am helping you in many ways. Then why are you polluting me by throwing your waste into me? Stop polluting me for better today and tomorrow. Save river, save life. Thank you.
Next, firefly.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivan Chawla. Today I have dressed up as firefly. These are my wings made of cardboard. This is my body made with cardboard. These are my eyes made with paper board. These are my antennas made with straws and cardboard. When I open my wings, the light goes on. Thank you.
Next, CD.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. My name is Shweta Anand. Look at my beautiful dress. It is made of CD. CDs are used to store songs, movies, photographs, and computer programs. But now CDs are hardly used. These are made up of plastic. So we should not throw in dustbin. We should throw electronic waste properly. We can recycle to make other plastic objects.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.